Every night, while the people of Egypt sleep, a battle rages deep beneath the earth, deciding the fate of the world. This is not just any fight, it is an eternal struggle between light and darkness, order and chaos. The forces are vast and powerful. On one side is Ra, the sun god, with his few loyal companions. And on the other, a massive army of shadows led by Apophis, the serpent god of chaos. Imagine Ra, at the end of the day, boarding his sunboat and bravely sailing into the depths of the underworld, the Duat. Waiting for him are not just dark rivers and endless deserts, but an entire army of monsters and demons, thousands strong, lurking in the shadows, their eyes fixed on the divine light of Ra, ready to destroy it. Ra travels with his closest warriors, no more than a few thousand, prepared to face the overwhelming odds. In the distance, Apophis slithers, an enormous serpent whose body stretches endlessly through the darkness. She commands her hordes of demons, shadow creatures, and beasts of darkness who swarm toward Ra's boat. Ra and his warriors fight in an unending battle. Arrows of pure light pierce through the shadows, while the creatures of chaos try to surround and sink the sun god's vessel. The combat is relentless. Again and again, Apophis tries to engulf the boat, her massive jaws open wide, ready to swallow Ra and all the light he brings. But Ra, with a heart of pure fire and the strength of daylight in his hands, does not retreat. He hurls beams of light, like burning spears that tear through the shadows, and his warriors defend the boat with shields that reflect the light, pushing the darkness back. Hour after hour, the battle rages on, and Ra and his warriors barely lose strength, despite being vastly outnumbered. Finally, just before the night begins to fade and dawn approaches, Apophis grows weaker. Her army of shadows begins to crumble, and with one last mighty strike, Ra drives the serpent back into the depths of darkness. As the first rays of sunlight break over the horizon, people do not know that this victory has been won. The battle is won, but only for a night. Tomorrow, the fight will begin again, and Ra will once more face the armies of chaos. So ends this night. One of many in an endless cycle, but each time Ra prevails, bringing daylight back to the people.